गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। माई सेल्फ हिना कंवर और मेरा जो टॉपिक है वो आयरन सल्फर प्रोटीन है। प्रोटीन कंटेन आयरन कैन बी क्लासिफाई इन थ्री टाइप: hemoprotein, FES protein and other iron containing protein. FES protein are catalyzed by the presence of the non-hemoiron, which is the bond to sulfur as from the cysteine reduced to polypeptide backbone of the inorganic sulfur. FES protein falls into two major categories. First is simplest FES protein, जिसके अंदर होता है contain first and one and more FES cluster and rhabdodoxin, ferredoxin and other FES protein. And second is a complex FES protein bear additional activity redox centers such as a phylloxy-MO. ESR spectrum are the after use for the detective and the identification of FES cluster protein. Common FES cluster protein is फर्स्ट इज रूबिडोक्सिन प्रोटीन आरडी प्रोटीन, जिसे FES प्रोटीन भी हम कहते हैं, जिसके अंदर आता है नॉन हीमो आयरन प्रोटीन. दे आर द पार्टिसिपेट्स इन द ES ट्रांसफर प्रोसेस दैट कंटेन Fe to sulfur. It belongs of the bacterial origin and the first isolated from the Crystridium and the Protosturium, but later found in none of the amoebic bacteria. It containing one Fe atom, tetrahedral coordination to 4 sulfur atom to a 4 cysteine residue as a part of a protein of the about the 54 amino acid residue. Fe is in a high spin complex condition in the both of the OS. There is Fe, it have a Se4 and S-cysteine in the 4. It is the rubidroxine molecule structure. And the second is ferredoxin. Ferredoxin is a non-protein, non-heme iron containing protein mostly involved with E carrier, जिसके अंदर ये थ्री टाइप के होते हैं. फर्स्ट होता है 1FeOS. दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट रूबेक्सोडोक्सिन प्रोटीन, जिसके अंदर सिस होता है, सिस S4Fe होता है. इट इज द बैक्टीरियल प्रोटीन एंड molecular weight is 6000. Second is 2Fe and 2S. This is type of have been found in the ferredoxin of the plants, bacteria and the mammals. Molecular weight have the 10,000 to 12,050. Contain the at least 4 residue of the crystal. This is the structure of in the photosynthesis of Fe, 2Fe and the 4 to 4, 5, 6 and SAS protein. In a second, the third is a 3FES protein. They are the containing Fe3S protein. This is mostly easily visualized as the Fe4S4 missing the cube and the corner. Fourth is a 4FES protein found in a large number of the bacteria, ferredoxins, which is a containing 4 or 8 iron atom, and in the high ppt iron sulfur protein isolated from the photosynthesis bacteria, chromomatium containing 4 Fe atom and the labile 4 sulfur and the 4 crystal protein. There are some biological rule of the FES protein. First is the main rule of the facilitated electron transfer, and also known as there is a photosynthesis and the cell respiration and the antifixation. Also act as a site for the non-reduxo and the reduxo crystallize. Also serve as iron sensors. Thank you.